Hi, my name is David Jones and welcome to David Jones Marketing. Now in today's video I want to share with you how you would go about creating an end screen for your YouTube videos. You know, like at the end of the videos you see on some channels there is a screen that comes at the end of the video where you see sometimes a video on the one side and then you see the subscribe icon come up. You see the videos come up, future videos that perhaps the channel owner wants you to see or wants you to click to. But I'm going to show you how you at least make the end screen for that, but the other process takes place in the actual YouTube video creation. So I'm going to use Canva to create that end screen. And while we are at it, I'll also show you how you can create simple edits or pages that you may want to edit into a video that you have. And you know, you don't really need sound. You just want to create something to stick in there, as it were, and help to bring more life and meaning to your videos. So let's do that. Let's hop right in. So I'm already here in Canva. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, create a design, and I am going to go for what you would call a custom design. So I'm going to create my own size. Let me see if I can find that. Normally in this drop down list here, it would kind of ask you what you want to do, what you want to create, and there usually is a section which allows you to create your own size or the presentation that you want. Oh, here it is. Custom size. So you click custom size, and I'm going to make mine a 1920 by 1080. Alright, so I'm going to create a new design. It's going to open a fresh page now for me to create that design. And you can create any end screen that you so desire. You can create one suited for your brand. You can create one that features a picture of yourself as the channel owner. You can perhaps put a picture coming from within the last video or the videos coming up. It's entirely up to you. You are free to go where your creative genius leads you. I am just go about creating such. So here we have the blank page. I am going to first click on background because I want to give it a background, and then I have an option of creating just a solid colored background, and let's choose black so that my canvas is black. And then after that I can go to photos if I wanted to put here to the left side, because the right side I'm going to leave for where the upcoming videos are going to be placed, as well as the subscribe icon. Those are going to go on the right, or they can go on the left. It doesn't really matter. It's totally up to you. But I am going to put those on the right, so I just want to fill in something here on the left side. And let's see, if I go to uploads, let me see if I have an uploads that I can play around with. I can probably put this is a picture of myself here. I can put a picture of myself here. Then as I scroll down a little more, I have here also my logo for the channel, David Jones Marketing. Alright, so that's here, that's there, and I think that's it. That's what I'm going to do. David Jones Marketing. Now I can either put this at top and put this at the bottom. I can do that, bring this up a little bigger. I can put this here at the top. Alright, I can do it like that. Let me bring this around a little more. Right, Right, so that's going to be my end screen. So all I'm going to do now is I am going to click download, and I want to download this as a PDF print. I want to download it as a PDF print, and I'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to download it. And the reason why we are downloading it as a PDF print is because what we want to do, let me see, I'm going to call this end screen demo. Right, so I know where to find it in my downloads. Right. The reason why I am downloading it as a PDF print, you'll see in a minute. I'm going to close this out. What I'm going to do now is I am going to save this. Alright, I'm going to save that. So I don't need Canva anymore, so I can close out this page. And I'm going to sign out of Canva for now. So then what I'm going to do now is I am going to open the print screen demo. And if I wanted to create now a video of this, even though you're watching it already within a video, I would click this three dots here. I would click present. When I click present, you'll see now that it gives me a full screen of the end screen. Now you're seeing me already recording this within the video, but what I am going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm going to put this end screen within the video, because what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can explain it to you. I want to record this end screen separate and distinct, and when I record it, it will have absolutely no sound whatsoever. I'll record it for about 15 to 20 seconds because that's the amount of time your end screen gives you at the end of your video. So I'll record it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and so that when I insert it at the end of my video, then as it pops up, you'll see the things come out at the end. So let me pause here for a minute so as to take us over now to the next section of this video. Okay, so here we are on my YouTube channel. I am in the section where you manage the content. This is where you will do edits and you know, like upload your videos, etc. So I'm just going to choose a video randomly to show you how you would do the end screen when you've completed. So let's choose this video here, and this is the video concerning a program I'm in, AI marketing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll down here the right side, and I'm going to go to the end screen. I'm going to click here, the icon, the pencil icon, where you're going to edit. I'm going to click there, and here now it will show you basically the area that the last 20 seconds basically of the video, and where the end screens will come into play. Now, like I said, this is what the natural end screen would look like. It will take into consideration part of the video, and obviously then the one that you created, the custom one, all you will have to do is edit it into the end section here so that it has a nice clean area to pop up the information that you want people to see at the close of your video. Now if I were to just press play here on the video, you'll see where the likely things will pop up. Going to have to play. Now if I click element, I can click subscribe. You see here an icon appears right here, and then if I click element again, let's say I wanted a video this time, you see the video screen there pops up, or at least it shows you where the video will be. If I wanted a second video, I can hit element again, I click video again, and you can actually move this around there's a section which you should not go out of. You actually move it around. Now, what do I want these videos to be here? Well, since the video in question here is about AI marketing, I'll choose something from the AI marketing videos that I've already done. So let's look through here. I have one here, the 15 popular questions, so I'll select that. So you'll see that goes at the bottom. And for this one, let me see, I'll choose a specific video again. And this time I will choose how to add funds to your AI marketing. Good. And I'll just click save. So what's going to happen now is once these changes have been made, if I go now to the video and I click to play the video, it's 4:29, 4:30, 31. If I come back to about 4 minutes, if I press play, let's see what we see. Okay, so as we are here in the YouTube space now, I've gone to the actual video after making those edits, and you'll see now when I press play on the video, when it hit the mark for the last 20 seconds, you'll see the subscribe turn up. There you go. And that's basically how you do your end screen. Now you can have it come in as I did there, where you have these two come in first, and then this one came in a bit later. But what I shared with you in this video is, rather than have it come in like this, where it kind of blanks out some of what you want persons to be seeing in the way of this end message where it says like, comment, and subscribe, I've showed you how to create the screen where it's like a blank, where it has a better presentation as it relates to the things that you want coming up. That's basically it. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, the end screen. And this is a way that you can kind of like give people a sneak peek as to what's coming, what else is coming soon on your channel, so that they'll know to either be encouraged to subscribe so they don't miss it, or certainly to look out for the reminders for when those videos will be dropped that they can come and see. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And at some point I'll show you how to do the cards. The cards are like, sometimes in videos you'll see a little pop-up at the top here in this section here, where it has a little icon, a circle with what looks like a capital I, and when you click it, it'll give you information pertaining to perhaps a video that you may, the editor or the creator may want your attention to be directed to, and that is something else that I'll show you how to do, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I think will be very cool for you. Ladies and gentlemen of the channel, my audience, to see how you can learn how to do certain things, because I'm not going to take it for granted that everyone knows how to do everything. I certainly don't. I'm always learning, so I figure that you guys may want to learn as well. So thank you for viewing. This is David Jones of David Jones Marketing. Over and out. Hi, so this is David Jones again. This is the end screen that I created in that last video I shot, and here you'll get to see now how you utilize your end screen in terms of the space, the background, and the information that you want to put up that you want your audience to see. You now have the room and the space to do it where it is clear, it's concise, you don't have anything blocking you. So that's what I wanted you to see, and I'll just leave the last few seconds free of saying anything, so that you'll see how that fits into place. So thank you for watching. David Jones, over and out.